once you awaken, once you have soul recognition on the twin flame journey, once both twins awaken and have soul recognition, neither one can forget. Neither one can forget that yearning, that remembering, the remembering of wholeness, of fullness. The divine masculine will try and go back to their old ways. The feminine will try and forget and put up boundaries and go, I can replace this love. But this is not an ordinary love. This is a remembering of your soul essence, remembering of your wholeness, your fullness. And your divine counterpart mirrors not only your wholeness and fullness, but also mirrors and triggers you into seeing your deepest core wounds that you thought you dealt in lifetimes ago. This journey, once activated, once that Kundalini and that Shakti is now flowing, dissipating out, dancing through each one of your chakras, your life force portals. And your life force portals are what is gifted to you at birth. Each chakra holds a different frequency. And once activated on this journey, Shakti, as well as your divine counterpart, will not let you run. You see, most people talk about the journey as the chaser and the runner, and let's face it, I've talked about it as the chaser and the runner. But when we get back to the true core, when we pull the surface soil and we go under to the rocks, to the bones, to the density of the journey, this is a remembering. And both twins initially are running from themselves, are trying to escape the pain, the rawness, the truth of the journey. You see, this is not just about love and romance. And while ever you just deal in the surface level, while ever you look at soul union and how to figure union without pulling back the soil and going down into the depths of your very being and remembering that Christ consciousness within you, remembering that divine feminine within you. And at the moment, I've just done a session on Mary Magdalene and how her codes and activation now are being activated, bringing up everything that is unhealed within the feminine. While ever you are running from those unhealed aspects, you will stay in that pain and looping. The thing is, though, on this journey, it's not about just healing. It's about knowing that this journey is bigger than healing. This journey is about observing, of knowing that you are not the mind and ego, that you are the soul, and the soul is always magnetizing back in. There are different dimensions to this journey. There are different angles and layers that you work through, and it's like peeling back the next layer of the onion, and the next layer gives you a deeper inner standing at a soul level, at a heart level. This is not a surface love. This is not a surfaced awakening. This is a deep, powerful transformation. I teach at the very core of this journey. I teach what it is to align with soul. I teach what it is to not allow the divine masculine to come in and out and breadcrumb you, but for you as a divine feminine to stand with an open heart and allowing your sovereign energy for you to alchemize and know that whatever is coming up within your world is there to magnetize, is there for you to shift into a higher frequency. That does not mean that you stay in waiting energy. That does not mean that you take breadcrumbs. It means that you as that beautiful divine feminine, as you are being activated with the Mary Magdalene lines and the activations, and the activations of the light frequency and the ley lines, you come into your sovereignty. You learn how to alchemize, how to self-master, how to come into that beautiful observing energy while still seeing all the aspects of the self and where you need to shift into a higher frequency. This journey is not about spiritually bypassing. This journey is about standing in wholeness and fullness. If you need more help and support on your journey, on the 1st of August, which is only a couple of days, we start our 30-day boot camp. This is where I support you every single day to get out of the looping energy, to get out of the pain, learn how to work that beautiful Kundalini energy, how to stand in your sovereignty, how to detox, how to balance the energy back in when divine masculine starts to show up, and how to fully surrender. This is a powerful journey, and we have 30 days boot camp from the 1st of August, which is deeply transformative. If you're ready to shift, I'm ready to support you, but I will warn you, it's not full of pink fluffy stuff. I hope this helps. I send you so much love. Many blessings from my heart to yours.